Some areas of interest are included in this retreat program and pave way for focused deliberations on key national and governance issues, including the regulation and financing of political parties. And we had John Cox is here from the ORPP. Election preparedness, the state of the economy, implementation of the competency-based education curriculum, and I'm happy to note that in the program, the CS, National Treasury, CS Education will be joining us tomorrow or the day after. The status of healthcare service delivery, CS Aden Duale and his team will be here. And the way forward with respect to the National Government Constituencies Development Fund, NGCDF, which I want to believe you all have a deep interest in.
As political activity inevitably intensifies, this retreat offers us an opportunity to pause, reflect, and refocus. It allows us to step away from the politics that now dominate public discourse and to remind ourselves of our enduring constitutional responsibility of legislation, oversight, and representation of the people of Kenya with dignity and purpose. Honorable members, as we move closer to the election cycle, we must also remain alive to the political environment that naturally accompanies such a period. Experience teaches us that as political temperatures rise, positions harden, and competition intensifies. These dynamics are inevitable in a democratic society, but they must never be allowed to erode the integrity, dignity, and collegiality of this House.